Now let's look at an example of how to calculate a percentage composition by mass. Remember, a percentage composition is like any other percentage. It has the mass of the little bit, in this case the solute, divided by the mass of the solution, and because it's a percentage it'll be times by 100. So let's do the example. So the percentage is equal to the mass of the solute divided by the mass of the solution times 100. Remember, I always tell my marker what I'm doing. So a solution of concentrated hydrochloric acid contains 296 grams of hydrogen chloride, which is the solute, and dissolved in 500 grams of water, which is the solvent. And remember, a solution equals a solute plus a solvent. So down the bottom here, our solute was 296 and our solvent was 500 grams times 100. So it becomes 296 divided by 796 times 100, and this becomes 37.2% to three significant figures.